Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Realme device to an Android 13. Begin by opening Play Store on both and clicking on the search bars to type in Send Anywhere. When you're ready, install this free app from this developer and open it. In order to set it up and use it, you need to do exactly the same on both smartphones. Firstly, click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. Then close it by hitting OK. Nextly, select Send at the bottom left corner of Realme and Receive next to Send at the bottom of an Android 13. Also on this Android device, scroll down and tap on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then tap on Close this window and go back to this Realme device. You can finally click on all of those categories located at the top, and from them choose all of your files that you wish to transfer. In order to select multiple ones at once, click on those type of dots at the top left corners. You can also just click on the chosen ones by simply tapping on them. Wherever you decide, when you finished, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. In order to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon located next to Input key. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you want to input this key instead, just tap on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Then hit Receive. So when I do that and wait, I can see that my photos were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!